Hi friends, this is Denisha and welcome back to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share one of my current favorite cake. Almost every week I make a new batch of this amazing healthy banana chocolate oats cake at home. So here is the recipe for you all. Into a bowl add 1.5 cups of oats, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend them in a mixie and then sieve the mixture by adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Sieving the mixture will help to incorporate air into the mix. Into another bowl, take 2 large eggs. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and then blend on high speed by adding 1/4 cup of powdered brown sugar. Here I am using brown sugar, you can replace it with regular white sugar as well. Add sugar little by little to the eggs and blend on high speed until the eggs become light and frothy. Now goes 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. You can use any other refined oil of your choice. Blend them on high speed and the mixture should look like this. Now into another small bowl I am taking some chopped walnuts, almonds and golden and black raisins. Coat them with the oats flour we prepared earlier. I also added some chopped dates to it. You can add any dry fruits of your choice here. Now mash 3 or 4 large size overripe bananas for this recipe. I have used only 1/4 cup of powdered brown sugar to the overall recipe. That's because I'm adding raisins, dates and bananas which will add sweetness to this whole recipe. If you like to eat little sweeter cake, then you can add up to 1/2 cup of powdered sugar to this whole recipe. Now add the oats flour in batches to the eggs and mix using a whisk. Now goes the mashed bananas, 1/4 cup of warm milk and the remaining flour. Finally goes the flour coated dry fruits. Fold them into the mixture slowly to the batter using a spatula. Our batter is ready. Transfer the batter to a baking tin which is greased and lined with baking paper. Tap the tin once to remove any air pockets. Then place some walnuts, pumpkin seeds and some rolled oats for garnish. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes to 60 minutes until it's done. This takes slightly longer to bake unlike our regular cakes. After 55 minutes, my cake is all done. Cover with a cloth and leave on a wire rack to cool for some time. Take the cake out of the tin and leave it on the wire rack to cool down completely. Once the cake is cool completely, then slice and enjoy. If you are liking this recipe, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Look at the texture of the slice. They are absolutely delicious. 2 slices of them will make you feel full. If you're trying this recipe, then don't forget to share me your feedback in the comments below. See you all soon with another exciting video. Till then, take care and bye bye.